In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the marketing email settings on HubSpot. This is an essential task for anyone managing email campaigns, as knowing where to adjust these settings can significantly impact the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. So let's dive in step by step to make this process as easy as possible. Let's start by heading over to the HubSpot website. Simply navigate to hubspot.com, which serves as the central hub for the software and tools you'll need for your business. Once you're there, you'll notice the homepage is designed to guide you to various features HubSpot offers. To proceed, look toward the upper right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This action will direct you to the login page where you'll enter your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy to smoothly access your account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your HubSpot home dashboard. Here you can manage a multitude of tasks and navigate through different functionalities of the platform. To find the email settings, locate and click on the settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear symbol, which should be visible in the main menu or toolbar. After clicking settings, the sidebar menu will appear on your screen. Here you'll want to click on marketing. This section houses various options related to your marketing activities, including campaigns, automation, and of course emails. Following the marketing tab, the next step requires you to click on email. Selecting this will lead you to a more focused menu where you can manage your email marketing settings, templates, and configurations. Now, let's move on to the final step of this process, where you'll configure your email settings to suit your marketing strategy. To do this, click on Configuration, which is a subsection within the email settings. Inside configuration, you can adjust crucial settings such as the email footer, sender identity, and default parameters that will apply to all marketing emails sent from your HubSpot account. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated to the marketing email settings within HubSpot. Understanding and customizing these settings ensures your emails are delivered in a professional manner and that they comply with your organization's branding and marketing strategy. Remember, consistency in your marketing approach helps reinforce your brand's voice and ultimately fosters stronger connections with your audience. Be sure to go through each option within the configuration carefully and tweak settings based on your specific needs or organizational requirements. This can enhance the impact and deliverability of your marketing emails, making your campaigns more effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you manage your email marketing efforts more efficiently.